Bingo Millionaire. Score 10-8. Number 11, Gumabao, serving.
And it is just another 2-point lead, but still very comfortable now. Bingo Millonario needs to add to this one. Michelle Gumabao, great serve. Rosemary Vargas, and Gumabao could not stop that. But there was no blocking in the first place coming from Chi Saet and Maika Morada, which allowed that easy hit coming from Vargas. 10-9. Just a 1-point lead now for Bingo Millonario. Remember, they started this set 7-0. Saet has the joust. Saet turns it back from Eulalio. Gwyneth Eulalio keeping it alive. Chi Saet now, running attack coming from Maika Morada. Kept alive by Gumabao. Here is Patrona. Vargas digs it. Now Vargas. Gumabao. Chi Saet down the middle goes Maika Morada. Great block from Gwyneth Eulalio. Iris Patrona. Dug up by Latigay. Attacking is Makatuno. Saet. And this rally is still going on. Combination play. Vargas barely gets the line.
She makes it. And that is patience. That was quite a long rally.
Tied at 10 from 7-0 at the start of this fourth set. And you can see it was clearly in.
And now,
Maureen Penetrante Owaño is back in for Bingo Millonario. Pao Soriano. Chi Saet. Patrona off the block. That's the way to do it. You can see Penetrante Owaño's imposing presence there in front. Mikmik Laborte will replace Carla Llaguno. So Maureen Penetrante Owaño is now going to serve, with Bingo Millonario hanging on to a 1-point lead. Latigay. Makatuno. Vargas. Laborte keeps it alive. Chi Saet feeding Mikmik, and Mikmik. What is that? Oh, lifting violation.
lifting called.
A late call, but nevertheless the correct call coming from Philip Season.
We saw that.
And there's no protest coming from Francis Vicente.
But I think they know it as well.
Right. 12-10. Bingo Millonario clinging on to a 2-point lead. And Penetrante Owaño hits it into the net. So that lead is down to 1. Vargas, energizer off the bench, huh?
Making her presence felt. Now we have Binting and Eulalio, the attackers in the front row.
Mercado. Saet. Oh!
Almost missed by Laborte.
Well, Mikmik has been known for those sweeping shots. Looking over at the bench, we're looking at the... we don't see Janice Dolar on the bench. That's another tall girl that Francis Vicente could have gone to. Running attack. Eulalio turned back by Mercado. Vargas for Benting. Oh, and Benting scores off the hands of Iris Patrona. So 13-12. Still, it is Bingo Millonario in front. May Makatuno.
Number 3, server.
Here's Saet now. Quick set for Laborte, and I don't think they were on the same page because Eulalio said, "Give it to me." That's exactly what happened.
It's important that your middle center spiker and your setter would connect. And in that case, timing was a bit off.
Tied at 13. Here's Chi Saet. Running attack. Mikmik trying to spike it back into the middle. Latigay. Chi Saet. Paneng Mercado. Blocked there by Eulalio. Saet goes back to Paneng. Blocked again by Eulalio. And this time, Eulalio will score off the block. If at first you don't succeed, stop going to win Eulalio.
Number 3,